Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about EFTP EA. This video is about EFTP EA. EFTP EA is an EA that we have been trading with since past 2 years. We have traded with different kind of settings, different kind of currency pairs in the past, and so this account that we are showing you right now, this we are trading for almost it's 7 months, right, from 1st of August till today is 3rd of March. So we are completing 7 months, and let's start it from here because it will take some time, since we have used like 5 pairs over here, and 5 pairs we started with 5,000 US dollar, 1,000 US dollar each. That is the minimum I suggest to trade if you are trading with any expert advisor. Okay, so that is like almost 1,000 per pair. But in case if you are trading individually for one pair, then I would suggest 1,200 to 1,500 to start with. If you are using different pairs, then it will diversify the risk, right? In this account, I have used 2 Euro pairs, 2 NZD pairs, and 1 AUD pair. But what I suggest, and I previously also suggested, that use different kind of pairs, right? Do not use same kind of pairs together. Like, what I mean is that in case if you would like to use a Euro pair, then you could have used like 1 Euro pair out of like Euro USD, or maybe Euro GBP, or maybe Euro CHF, whatever. Okay, in case you would like to use any New Zealand dollar pair, then you could have used NZD USD, or NZD CHF, or NZD CAD, one out of these 3. Okay, similarly like AUD. But I have not followed my instructions myself in this account, so but it is something that I advise, not for this particular expert advisor, but in case if you are trading yourself with any expert advisor, then try to diversify the pairs. You can include like USD pair, non-USD pair, do not use exotic pairs, but minor pairs or maybe major pairs and cross pairs. So this will help, like in case if there is any sudden thing happen with one currency, say suppose something bad or good happens with Australian dollar, and if you are using 5 Australian dollar pairs together, then it will impact all of them. Similarly, like if you are using USD pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and Australian dollar USD, New Zealand dollar USD, USD Swiss franc, or USD JPY, or USD CAD, and if something good or bad happens with USD, it will impact all of them together. So it's better to diversify the pairs so that impact of one currency should not impact all of your trading account, and it will diversify the risk among all of them, right? So this is what the idea is. This is nothing that is very concrete, or I can say that no, that is the best thing or something, but this is what I'm suggesting is based on my experience so far. So guys, in the video description you will find there are 3 links, where if you where there is a link, like if you would like to see the previous videos that we have uploaded about EFTP EA, you can check that. That will come under a playlist, and there is a link. If you can just click on that, you will find a Google Drive, and that contains all the trading history and the trading reports that we have traded with EFTP EA in the past from last 2 years. That is different accounts with different settings with different pairs. And there is a third link in case if you would like to see other expert advisor videos that we have uploaded in this channel, and that will take you to the playlist, and you can click and view all of them, whatever you want to. So EFTP EA, as I mentioned in my previous videos, and this is something that it works on currency pairs, metals, indices, and all those stuff, but it works better on currency pair, and it works good on gold as well. But yes, for gold you need higher capital. I have uploaded some some videos while we have traded on gold with EFTP in the past. And EFTP EA does has a news filter also. So news filter, what does it do? That before any important news, it stops trading. It will not take any additional trade, and just after some time, once the news has been published and the market has already recognized the impact, then itself it starts taking trades later on. So this is something that works well on all the forex things actually, on all the currency pairs, metals, and all those stuff. But still, I would prefer to trade on currency pair. Gold is something that it works very good as well. However, we suggest to focus on one thing at a time. And gold definitely requires some higher capital, because as compared to the spikes and fluctuations and the volatility in the gold, we suggest to trade gold with at least 5,000 USD, while in currency pair you can start with a little lower. When I say 1,000 is the minimum, then that is the minimum. This is not something that I would prefer, that I would suggest, or I will say that is sufficient. There is nothing called sufficient in forex market until you know what you are doing. You should know what kind of pair that you are trading with. If the pair is very, very volatile, then there are very high chances that you will get higher profit, and similarly you will face higher risk as well, and higher drawdown or the negative floating as well. And similarly, if you are using a low volatile pair where there are less chances of movement, or there are less movements, then definitely that will bring lower risk as well as lower profit, right? So the choice is yours. There is no alternative. And there is always a risk in trading forex, whether you are trading manually or whether you are trading with expert advisor. Trading with expert advisor brings something that like you don't have any control on as well, right? Because in manual trading you will have better control. So better to have some higher equity when you are trading with an expert advisor, because expert advisor will trade for you 24/5, even if you are not in front of a computer. So you need to ensure that you have proper food to feed your account. So guys, with this video, I think like this is going to be my last video on EFTP EA, because this is almost something that we have been trading from last 2 years. So that's pretty much it actually. So maybe this is the last video, and I'm working on a couple of other expert advisor, and probably I will come up with some new video on different kind of expert advisors with different kind of strategies, right? I do not create the videos very frequently unless I find something that is very consistent for long term. That has been proved to have been consistent in the long term. I don't know about the future, but I can only show you what has been consistent, and how we have traded in the past. I don't know about future, okay? But yes, that is something that I can just show you what happened in my account, but it is not guaranteed that like you will get similar kind of profit, because every human is different. They have different kind of risk appetite, they have different kind of motive, they have different kind of knowledge, they have different kind of expectation, right? And even the market is changing day by day. So it could be better in the future, or it could be worse in the future, or it could be similar, not similar, but could be similar, not same but similar, could be, but that is not very certain. So we have to accept like whatever the market is giving us, and this is the way how the market works. Market will not work and favor your emotions like whatever you want it from the market, but market will do whatever it want itself. It want to do itself, and you have to accept it. And forex is not a cash machine that you are thinking like just by trading or purchasing one expert advisor that is going to create you a millionaire, or maybe you can live a living on that. No. Trade forex only if you can afford to lose, or do not trade with the money that is for your emergency fund, or you have taken a loan, or you borrowed it from somewhere. No, do not trade with that kind of money. Forex earning or maybe forex profit can act as a cushion. Do not make it as a primary if you are trading with an expert advisor. First, learn to trade and try to execute the trades manually, learn how the market works, and then it will be a good tool that it can sophisticate your trading and can make your trading easier, but does not guarantee that you're going to win each and every time. Okay, so this is what the record is from last 7 months. With a deposit of 5,000, we made of this much of profit so far. And if you like to see the running trades, there are running trades right now, that is minus 64.61 something. Let's go to the account history. Let me create the detailed report once again. It's FXCG EA from 1st August 2022 till 3rd March 2023. Guys, give it some time, like it will take some time to populate, because it's a data of around 7 months with 5 pairs, so it will take some time. Okay, so now it's there. Okay, so this is there, and this is the same thing like what you have seen just now. This is just the trading report, which is handy actually, and I will upload this trading report and will replace the old trading report. As I mentioned, there is a link in the video about the Google Drive where you can watch, analyze all the trading reports of all the trading account that we have traded with this expert advisor in the past, and this one also I will replace with a new one, with this one actually, the old report with this one. Okay, let me take this down, because this is the same thing what you have just seen. Okay, so you have seen the floating is around minus 61.61 right now, right? And you can see the profit factor, the expected payoff, you can see the drawdown and each and everything over here. And guys, in case if you're interested in this expert advisor, you can contact me via Telegram or email. Both details are there in the video description. You can contact me via email or via Telegram. Telegram is preferred because I can communicate faster and can give a resolution or response to whatever your queries are more frequently than an email. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care, stay safe and stay happy with your family. Would love to talk to you sooner with a new video. Thanks, bye.